Hi, this is my SDC Midpoint video. So I want to start off by saying that I have decided to pick Postgres as my primary database choice. Not only does the company that we are basing our product off of, Robinhood, choose Postgres, but all in all, having a relational database in my case seemed to give an edge in terms of ease of access. Uh, it was a competition between Cassandra and Postgres in order to determine the best reading times. Um, so I went through the process of querying both results, and for Cassandra, we hashed the queries so that the clusters that Cassandra partitions each um, each of the data that's inserted into the database to, we hashed it so that similar IDs would be grouped together, and that would result in faster querying times, which it did. The querying times are actually faster than those that we got from Postgres, and the optimization we made in Postgres was that we indexed the values due to the fact that Cassandra doesn't handle load times as good as Postgres, and my main goal for this project is to scale the server side. I went ahead with Postgres. The difference between the querying speeds honestly were pretty minimal. It was around a zero point 0.2 millisecond difference. Postgres usually maxes at 2 milliseconds for querying. Cassandra was giving a pretty consistent reading of around 1.5 or so. So the difference wasn't too much, and that was only locally. And on top of that, there's an extra pay tier for Cassandra that would have had to be done if we went ahead with that choice. So right now, what we are working on next is using New Relic to identify the bottlenecks that might be holding our service back from handling a higher request per second rate. So far, we've implemented Redis on the server side, which has made any database or caching bottlenecks extremely small, and most of what we have to do is going to be server related, which is going to require load balancing. And the major technical challenge that I've had in this project was definitely choosing the database. And despite having a faster querying speed in Cassandra, having to justify the use of Postgres by other metrics. Thank you.